In this video we are going to show you how to remove the satellite radio module from 2007 Mini Cooper, which is similar to some other years. The satellite tuner module is located under the passenger front seat. And the satellite module is covered by a cover. This is this black cover, which we already removed it, and we already made this, the seat loose also. This is just for the demonstration only. The tools that you need is the size T40 Torx screwdriver, and then plus the regular Phillips screwdriver. In the first step, you need to remove 4 screws for the railing of the seat, 2 in the front and then 2 all the way in the back of the seat. And once you get this T40 Torx screws out, you can lift up the seat. You do not need to remove the seat. If you want to remove the seat, you have to disconnect the battery because the seat has an airbag on the side. But we didn't disconnect the battery. We just lifted the seat up, and then we removed this plastic cover from underneath, which this one has also 3 Torx T40 also, and then plus a couple of the Phillips screws. Once you get these out, and then you will be able to see the satellite radio module under the seat. And then once you remove the mounting screws for the satellite module, you can remove it. Or if you are not using the satellite module, you can just bypass it. And then in this case, we just bypass the module, and then the audio, we get the audio back. And some of the Mini Cooper, they have a tuner module too, for the HD tuner module in the trunk. Some they do not have. In this case, this car has the HD radio in the trunk, and then the satellite module under the seat. So if you have no sound for the radio, sometimes it's caused by this satellite radio. If the satellite radio fiber optic is open, and then you will have no sound. And if you are not using the satellite radio module, you can just bypass it.